go to my personal website. Under the data and the tools, click this item. And then I have the 3 tools so far on my personal website. But here I only want to talk about the second one, the data tools for the HSA book. So I have posted the PDF to illustrate what we have for the GIS dataset and also tools in this book. So you will see the folder called the Florida. I will talk about it later. And then it contains all of the data, produced results, and also program tools. So this is the first database, second, and this is for calculate the travel time by transit. This is for transit time estimation, XM file as well. And then this is for public transit time as well. And OD flow data. And then this is for spatial adjacency matrix. These are 2 R code for estimate the spatial behavior. And then this is the data for the R code as well. And then we have a requirement text. This is used to install the HSA delineation tools in the ArcGIS Pro. And then I also provide the GIS API and Google API tools, half model. And this one, this is the main one. And then some scripts, Python scripts using ArcGIS Pro and also the result. So all of the results in the book are provided here as well. So this is a very simple document, talk about the data and the tools. So let's just go back to this page. And then the second one, download the GIS data and the program tools. It's a little bit large, 2.8 gigabyte. Maybe it takes some time to download. And also I put a word here, spatially constrained item, and also spatially constrained Luban, and then Dynamos method and other associated method are programmed in the HSA delineation toolbox under the zipped file as well. So let's just go to download the GIS data and the program tools. Click this link. Then go to my OneDrive and then download this one. Maybe it takes some while. So I just skip this step because I already download. And then let's just go to my folder. Think here. Asian HSA video. So I already download this zipped file and I zip, right click, open extract all. And then you will go get this folder, Florida. Then click inside Florida, and then you will see all of the data. The items just are the same as the PDF. And then right now we get this tool, we get the ArcGIS Pro, we have all of this data and tools here. What we need to do next is we need to install some packages, make sure we can use the SC Leiden and SC Luban, and also Dynamos method for the hospital service area delineation. How could we do that? Go back to the ArcGIS Pro, click the project, go to the package manager, and then you will see the current activate environment is ArcGIS Pro Python 3. So we need to click this one, the environmental manager. Then we go to the window. We need to column this one. And then we just keep in your mind, it's okay, the destination is here. And then this is the source. So just click. Maybe it takes some time to clone the environment. You will see here, they are just creating the environment by installing some packages into the environment here. The reason I wanted to do this is because this original default environmental setting doesn't allow people to install new Python packages. So I need to create a new one, see the similar one, and then install the Python packages in the new environment. That's why I do this action. So right now we get this one, get this version, and then click this one, right click, activate. Okay. And then we go to this environment. So I want to see this one. I think we already installed this one. Let's go to see where is it. We need to find the path. Users think is here. Then let's just type. Think is local data. Maybe let's see. So I think is here. OK，那待会儿那一节就把它删掉了。就我现在跟你对话，你可以把它删掉。没事没事没事没事没事。So right now we got this one. We just activate the Expo Python 3，这叫 clone 吧 ？OK OK。So right now we get this folder. So we see there is a path here, users, GOWCZ, app data, and then this is actually a path of this one. So we need to go this one, just click and then press Control and C on your keyboard, and then go to this folder, go to this path. Let's see. Okay. So we find it here. Well, we need the environments. And then we need to go to the star here. And then we just maybe select like run, click run. And then we get another app because we want to install the packages. Then just type CMD here and then go to this page. And then right now we need to type because we want to install the new packages here. So we need to type this path. And then we just copy and then paste this path in the CMD window. Then we click enter in your keyboard. Oops. So we need to type the city. I'm sorry. City, and then we go to this path. And then right now, because we download the folder, let's see. We have this folder, right? And then we have a requirement. So we need to install these packages. So how could we do that? We just copy this path. And then here, you can type Python -m pip, and then install -r black. That means there is a space. Then we put it here, and then we need to requirements, right? And then requirement is actually a txt file. So we need this whole sentence, Python space -m space pip space install space -r space, and then this is a path with the requirements .txt. And then we just press enter on your keyboard, and then let's see. So it will automatically install these packages. Okay. All right. So right now we got this one installed. So we can just minimize this window, and then we click OK. And then we go back to here. And then we go to another, go to view, and then go to catalog tab. Okay. And then here we can see, let me just connect the Florida folder first. Then we go to C disk, go to CW. So we want to have Florida data, right? So we just go to this path and then click OK. Then we will see all of the data under this content. And then we also need to add the toolbox. Okay, add the toolbox. Right click the toolboxes, right click, and then click add toolbox. And right now we need to go to the data folder. Then we see, okay, here we have the HSA Delineation Pro TBS, right? Just click and okay. All right, we get this tool.